Are you tired of staring at a boring grid in Smartsheet? Learn how to switch to card, board, or timeline view in under 30 seconds. First, I'll show you how to open your sheet and find the View menu. Then, we'll explore each view option step by step. First, head over to the Smartsheet homepage where all your sheets are listed. Then, open the sheet you want to work with by clicking on its name. Now, click the View menu in the top toolbar. It has a drop-down icon next to it. From the drop-down, select Card View to switch to that layout. You can also choose Board View if you prefer that style. Or, if you need a timeline perspective, select Timeline instead. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.